Unboxing to Dumplings. Shout out to Grandma. So, let's get started.
So the oxygen tube was at my eye. He's not what's important here. Your team voted.
Ooh, that one's cool. Boom, purple. Which one do I think is gonna be next? I think it's gonna be the red one. The red and the.
I'm gonna turn my.
I think it's gonna be the pink one and the purple. Purple. Okay, at least I got the pink in there. I'm his sister.
It's actually very pretty.
And shout out to me because I'm his sister and I do videos too. And my name is Demetra Cambridge and the real one, like the real name is cool. Why I named it. So shout out to Demetra too.
Shout out to my
Two.
Bye guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe. Boop.